and now all of a sudden you know what's best because y'all in love. Lady, if you don't get your
getting jiggy with it.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me the shooting to try for you guys. It is also sipping slaying. Your girl got her water and tea today. It's early and I'm still in my intermittent fasting. Okay, I can't have my sugar wine just yet. Okay, so down the hatch. Now I know some of y'all already looking at me like, girl, you look ridiculous. Don't judge me, okay? Me and my daughter are doing a mommy and me photo shoot and she wanted me to wear this bow. So get into it. But anyway, before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Ooh, washing my hair takes so much out of me. Y'all see these inches? Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs in my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Let me first tint my lace. I just kind of had a... Okay, so today me and Emery are having a mommy and me photo shoot, and she wanted to wear some bows that she saw on her little friends. So... Girl, I am not one of your little friends, but I'm gonna be her friend today and I'm gonna do some bows with her. So it just so happened that Nadula already sent me this wig that had some bows. We're gonna do a little matchy-matchy situation. Right now I'm just tinting my lace. I'm using the Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate all around the hairline. This unit is a 13x4 pre-cut, pre-plucked yaki straight unit. I'm pretty sure this is like 22 inches, maybe 24. It's long. They did put the bye-bye knots tape on my wig, which I know I don't really care for, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off for me. How I'm wearing this wig today, I don't think I will need to glue or spray my ear tabs down. I say glue like I'm gonna use glue. Spray my ear tabs down, so I should be fine with how this is gonna sit naturally on my hairline. Mine did come with the elastic band, so Nadula, make sure you give everyone the elastic band if you want these wigs to be, you know, glueless. Ooh, she's smelling good. Like I told y'all, she is pre-plucked. It's not like, you know, super plucked, but based on how it's sitting, I can work with it. I do want to get a sip of water. Man, I'm thirsty. So I need to put 2 little pieces down here. I think that's where I want those. Like I said, I washed my unit. I did use my wig shampoo and silicone mix, and then I used my leave-in spray to condition the hair before I blow dried it. So the hair is feeling a lot better than what it did out the pack. Out the pack, she will feel a little rough. So you will want to wash and condition the hair to kind of soften it up a bit before you go in and style it. Nadula is updating their packaging and their website. I didn't get the new packaging. However, y'all might get it, okay? So I haven't seen it yet. Maybe in my next go round with them, I will get the new packaging. You know, all these brands are coming out with, you know, similar things and they want to elevate themselves. That's always good. Trying to figure out where I want my ponytail. I'm pretty sure they also just celebrated their 7-year anniversary. So congratulations to Nadula on all the changes. And hopefully I'm able to keep sharing those with y'all. Where's my grease? Here we go. Let me see if I can one-hand this joint. Put a little bit of grease just to add some more conditioner to the hair. Brush it in. Is that how I want that to be? Hold up. My front is not right. I want them more to be like a triangle. Okay. I think that's good. I'm gonna tie this down so this doesn't move. I want it to kind of go around the head like so. Bring this around like that. How much forehead do I want today? I'm gonna take my melt spray, spray it around the front like so. Let me blow dry it on cool. Get some little wispies around the face. I may cut some. Let me tie this back down. Put my wand curler on 400 and put some wand curls in this just to kind of give it a little bit of a romantic wave, I guess you could say. Using my Tresemme Hairspray. I always push that and keep my hands away from that button. Just do a little curl. I probably could have used that little wave curler thing that I had. Okay, like that. Should I have trimmed my ends? Meh. Wrap it up in more ways than one. Is this still on? That'd be the worst feeling if this thing was turned off. Surprisingly, I'm not in a rush today, so you know, that's always good. Did y'all watch that Netflix documentary, Tell Me You Love Me? Child, people are crazy. Ain't no way you gonna come in my house and tell me what to do with my child that I have been raising by myself for X some years, and now all of a sudden you know what's best because y'all in love. Lady, if you don't get your... The longer I watched, the wider my mouth got. Like, I just could not believe it. Well, was he typing? Wasn't he typing? I don't think he was typing any of it because she was always there. Even the little aide person that he supposedly had in the class that claimed that, oh, he was typing about the book and she didn't even read the book, but her roommate read the book. Inadvertently, you probably took what the roommate already knew and were typing it for him without you knowing it, because that is also a possibility. And that's what I think happened. I don't think he typed out any of that, because why can't he type now? First of all, she kept the machine, so he never was able to type around his mother or his brother. And then her page boy looking mother going pop up on the screen talking about, son, my daughter would never, and she loved the man. First of all, his name is D-Man. The fact that that lady said it correct when she asked him what he wanted to be called, and he told her D-Man, and she said, oh, okay. So, you know, I called him D-Man from then on. You just said it was D-Man. He told you it was D-Man, but you decided to call him D-Man. I don't care what nobody says. She started off with the controlling stuff. Whether she knew she was doing it or not, you're telling them that he no longer likes beer, he likes wine. He doesn't like that gospel music, he likes classical. Girl, the mat on the floor, you taking this diaper, If you just trying to be nosy and you want to see how crazy people are, then sure, check it out. If you are against people harming people that are mentally incapacitated or, you know, physically incapacitated, don't watch it. She was out her rabbit ass mind. You hear me? Delusional. And the whole time she's smiling like, oh, I just love him. And the fact that she got out after 2 years and she's able to walk around and live her life like nothing happened, if that had been a black man or a black woman with an other than, under the jail. Right is right and wrong is wrong, and that lady was wrong. And then the fact that you were married to a black man with children, and her husband wrote a statement to the judge, to the court, called that lady everything but a child of God. And she said, he came on to me. The man can't even feed himself, and he came on to you? Let's move on, because I'm about to get mad. Okay, let me do my makeup real quick. Whoop, whoop. Peel it down to help avoid that white cast. She's a little hard looking, so I want to brush these out. Just want the lace to be laid down, not the edges. Cut some of that length off in the front. Here we go. I tightened down my ponytail, so if it looks a little different, that's why. Curl this up. I don't want to hold it too long, so just a little curl, a little wave. Bring it down, bring it down. Ooh, come. Take my soft focus powder again. Tint this lace before I try to do any type of spot correcting with my contour. Fix this one. Use my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Katsina and just spot correct on the edge of my lace. Take my big brush and just blend that all together. And then I still gotta do a little contour around my forehead just to make sure I'm even. Let's comb this out. And let me get my bow. It's a little wrinkled. Hold up. Let me see if I can press it out a bit with my blow dryer. It did a little something. Get in there. Slide it back. And just bring my glasses over top the wig a little bit. And that's pretty much it for the look. Okay. Okay, so here's the final look. I think she's gonna like it. The bow does make it a little, you know, a little young, but you know, it's cute. I probably could pluck behind that hairline a bit. Y'all see how it has that line right there? We don't want that, okay? But I also feel like it could be because of how the hair is pulled back. It's making a line where it shouldn't be because there's no line over here. Neither here nor there. I'm still gonna leave it how it is for now. The hair came out really soft. If you wanna take away one thing from this video, use your products and wash your wig, okay? I promise you will like your wig a lot more. Now, if you don't like the wig out the box, don't wash it, okay? Because they don't accept wigs that, you know, have already been altered. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys today, okay? We cute. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.